The ongoing power struggle in Karnataka appears to be escalating on a daily basis. Amidst calls for 3 deputy chief ministers, a prominent Vocaliga seer has urged Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah to step aside in favor of his deputy, D.K. Shivakumar, fueling the growing divide within the Congress party in the state. Now, a prominent seer from the dominant Veershaiva Lingayat community has urged that ministers from his community should be considered in case there is a change in CM post. Now, with both Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and the Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar in Delhi, rumors of a power change are gaining speed, with both the Karnataka leaders downplaying the divide and leaving the decision up to the High Command.
ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಗಳಿಗೂ ರಾಜಕೀಯಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕೇಳಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೇಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಯವರು ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಮಚ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದಂತ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಯವ್ರಿಗೂ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಪಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾರು ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಯಾರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡೋರು ಯಾರು? ಮತ್ತೆ ಶಾಸಕರು. ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಸಕರು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವರು ಉತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲ. ರಾಜಕಾರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಧ್ಯ ಕೆಲವರು ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳು ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಷ ಏನು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬದ್ಧರಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
The BJP, meanwhile, were quick to pounce on the opportunity to highlight the Congress's power tussle and have claimed that there is no coordination in the Karnataka government, only internal rifts for power.
उसके बारे में हम बात नहीं करेंगे. कौन सीएम होगा, कौन डिप्टी सीएम होगा, वो अपना विचार नहीं है. अपना विचार जनता बहुत परेशान कर रहा है. जनता के खिलाफ इस सरकार है, उसके बारे में अपना चिंता है.
इंटरनल फाइट है, तो बहुत ही जबरदस्त झगड़ा चल रहा है अंदर कर्नाटक कांग्रेस पार्टी में लीडरशिप के लिए, मुख्यमंत्री स्थान के लिए. तो इसीलिए कैसे डीके शिवकुमार को उनको वीक करना ये सिद्धरामैया सोचते हैं, उनके खिलाफ वो सोचते हैं. तो इसलिए सरकार में भी कोई तालमेल नहीं है. इसके कारण एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन भी कोलैप्स हुआ है. इसके साथ ही साथ पूरा फाइनेंस का जो स्थिति है आज बहुत गंभीर है कर्नाटक का. इसलिए ओवरऑल इट इज इम्पैक्टिंग द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ द स्टेट.
Meanwhile, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah said that he will also be meeting Prime Minister Modi in New Delhi today during his 3-day visit to the capital. This is in order to discuss state projects pending approval from the centre. Now, we're crossing over to my colleague Imran, who joins us to get us more. Imran, when it comes to the power tussle in the state of Karnataka, what exactly are we likely to see happen maybe over the weekend when it comes to possible meetings between the Karnataka leaders and the High Command of the Grand Old Party?
Well, the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister and senior members of the cabinet are in Delhi right now, and we have left up to the High Command know what they will decide about it, because the section of ministers have openly called for 3 Deputy Chief Ministers. Some even said 5 Deputy Chief Ministers should be there to accommodate other committee members. But whether this High Command will heed to that now, even going beyond that, some Lingayat and Vocaliga have also demanded a change of CM, and they asked the very respective committee members, like in the Vocaliga case, D.K. Shivakumar, and the Lingayat seer has given 5 names as far as local Lingayat are concerned to be made if the Congress party is considering of changing CM. See, while Chief Minister responding to it said that it's not the decision of the seats or anybody else, it's a decision of the party high command, and he is not, he's been not chosen, but he got elected, and their people representatives, his MLAs have elected me as the Chief Minister, and it's outside the purview of the seats to decide who will become the Chief Minister or not. They said it's a party's decision and it's a high command's decision. Now, what decision the high command will take, we have to wait and see, but all the lobbies are intensifying and demanding that there should be more chief ministers in the states. I beg your pardon, deputy chief ministers.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.